Now here is the easiest way to promote Live Good products. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, Live Good. Live Good is still on fire. All right, with almost 1 million members, Live Good has become a phenomenon in the network marketing, affiliate marketing industry. All right, now when it comes to Live Good, most people talk about the business opportunity, right? How you can make so much money just by promoting the Live Good business. And that's fine. And a lot of people are making money with Live Good, right? But a lot of people don't understand that you can actually make money just by promoting the products. This is one of the things that a lot of people do not talk about. Why, I don't know, right? But you might be somebody that's just like, yo, I really like the products. I want to earn commissions from the products. And you actually can, because when you join Live Good as an affiliate, you're going to have access to a retail store affiliate link. So this is a link that you can send to people that you feel are just interested in the products. So whenever somebody makes a purchase off of that site, you actually get a commission. So how it works is you get 50% of the difference between the retail cost and the membership price cost. So just in case you're like, what the hell is you talking about? I'll give you a quick example. All right. Say, for example, you are promoting, we'll just say a $30 product, whatever it is, on Live Good. So the retail cost is $30. So a person will buy that product for $30 from your retail site. Now, the Live Good membership price, which is the price that members pay, right? Just say it's $18, right? 30 for retail, 18 for members. All right. So what's the difference between that? $12. The $12, because 30 minus 18 is $12. So since you generated that sale, you're going to get 50% of that, which is $6, right? So you're going to get a $6 commission. Now, a lot of people overlook this, right? A lot of people just so focus on, oh, you know, the matrix this and matrix that, but you can decide just to be a product and or, right, affiliate, whatever, but you can make money by just promoting the products. If you think about it, the fact that you can earn a $6 commission off a $30 product is very, very good, considering that Amazon is one of the most popular affiliate program sites out there in the world. Their commissions is ass low. All right. So like if you were to get a commission on a $30 product on Amazon, you might get like 75 cents or $1. No joke, right? So just on the level of just promoting products, because a lot of people, when they talk about Live Good products, they're like, the haters be like, yeah, but I could buy similar stuff on Amazon. Okay, yeah, you probably could, right? But if you're trying to earn some extra cash and get quality products, why wouldn't you, right? Why wouldn't you promote Live Good to earn extra cash? Because then even if you say, well, I could just buy my products from Amazon and I can become an Amazon affiliate. All right. But your commissions are going to be way less, straight up. Like that alone should make people really like look at Live Good as, you know, the supplements and the earning potential. You might be thinking, all right, cool, I get it. I want to promote the products, but what's the best way? All right. So here's one way that you can promote Live Good products that a lot of people aren't really even doing this yet. Of course, you got your basic, okay, post your favorite products on your Facebook page. You can post it in groups. Of course, you can do TikTok videos, Instagram posts. We know all that already. But here's a strategy that you can use using YouTube that a lot of people aren't using yet, but I'm sure more and more people are going to start doing this. So my favorite Live Good product so far, without a doubt, is the magnesium product, right? This has a whole bunch of health benefits to it, but mainly I take it because it helps me sleep a lot better. Like I noticed this like within a couple days of taking this, I'm like, oh my God, like magnesium is the shit. You can pick whatever product or products you want to promote, and here's what you need to do. You need to create a long form YouTube video. Now, what I mean by long form is anything between, you know, over 3 minutes, right? That'll work, right? Create a video. Now, ideally, you will want to give a review from yourself, if possible. If you actually have the product like I do, you want to actually give a honest review talking about it, right? In that video, you want to put a link to your Live Good business opportunity, and you want to put your link to the products page. Okay, so because somebody might look at this opportunity, look at the product and say, okay, I really like the product. Oh wait, there's a business opportunity connected to it too. So somebody might just check out the actual supplement from your link, or somebody might check out the Live Good opportunity. So you want to have both links in the description of your long form video. Now, if you actually don't have the product, but you still want to promote it, you can just do the same thing, do a video, but just make an informative video. Just talk about the product, talk about why somebody should take this product, the benefits of this product. You could even talk about other reviews that other people left about this product. Once again, you just want to make sure your Live Good links are in the description of that video. Now, that's the first step. The second step, and this is what makes this strategy so dope, you want to create YouTube shorts that connect to that main video. All right, so you got your main video, right? It's sitting there chilling, right? Now you can use shorts to drive traffic to that video. So say, for example, you got your magnesium whatever video up. So now you can do a quick short talking about the benefits. You can do a quick video on your phone like, hey, Live Good just came out with their new magnesium supplement. Find out why you should be taking it. Now, you take that short and you post it to your YouTube channel. But a lot of people ain't hip to this yet. YouTube has it now where they have a watch related video. So whenever you upload your YouTube short, you're going to have an option that says connect related video. I want to click on that and then select the long form video of the product that you're talking about. All right. Once you do that, when people see your YouTube shorts, they're going to actually see the related video that they can click on and watch the full length video of that product. Now, if you don't feel like creating, separate shorts talking about your long form video, you actually could take pieces out of your long form video, turn them into shorts, and do the same thing. So this is a super easy and effective way to drive traffic to your long form videos as well as your Live Good affiliate links. My sister, who is on my Live Good team, she just started doing this strategy and she's starting to get traffic to her long form videos. And I'm going to start doing the same thing on my fitness channel. But yes, there is money to be made in Live Good. It's all about taking action and being consistent. So if for whatever reason you are not a Live Good affiliate yet, you know what to do. Click that first link in the description and I will see you on the team.